Hi everybody. Today I'm making a fresh fiesta salad. I found this recipe online the other day and it's for like a little side dish, but I'm going to add extra to mine and make it a one bowl dinner. So for the recipe, for the dressing, it had sour cream and mayo, and my measurements are a little bit extra to cover the extras that I'm putting in. I'm going to do the dressing now, and then I'm going to set everything up with the other ingredients for the salad. So first we have sour cream, and this is 2/3 of a cup, but you can add whatever ingredients you want, leave out whatever you want, add extra. So you can make this your own, which is what I'm doing, because I just got the idea and then I'm just making it the way I want it. I have another 2/3 cup of mayo, and after I add everything in for the salad, I might have to add extra of the dressing and tweak it a little bit further. So I'm going to see how it turns out. I'm going to do maybe half a lime, and then if it needs more lime after that, I can always add more. And then I'm going to wipe my hand off a little bit. I've got my pink salt. I'm going to do the pepper, onion, and garlic just like normal. And a little bit of Tony's. Alright, so that should be all for the dressing. I'm going to mix it up a little bit. Alright, so it just looks like that. Now let me set up for the salad part and I'll be right back, okay? Okay, I'm back with the rest of the recipe. I have my dressing, and then I have some corn. I'm gonna go ahead and add that. One thing that wasn't in the recipe that I'm adding to mine is the chicken. Oh, and I'm just gonna fling it everywhere. Okay, well, chicken. And then I have, well, this one is, it's the red bell pepper, green pepper, the onion I've already cried over, and a little bit of jalapeno. So I'm gonna add all this. Scrape all that out. And then I have, this is green onion and cilantro. And like I said earlier, if you want to leave out any of this or add something else, you are welcome to. Because like I said, I'm just taking the recipe that I saw and making it my own. Let me stir everything together. That looks really good. I'll just leave that in there. Now, time to test it. Gotta find, oh, there we go. I really like that. I don't think it needs much of anything else. Maybe a little more salt, but that's pretty good.